was just our chocolate chip cookie dough. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my silicone muffin tin, and we're gonna quickly grease our muffin tin with some Pam. Beautiful. Now we're gonna place our coins of chocolate chip cookie dough into each of our cups. Now you can make homemade cookie dough if that's your preference, but this is gonna be a super easy, super fun treat for Halloween that everyone will love. Now I'm using the silicone muffin tin, but if you don't have a silicone muffin tin, that's totally fine. Just make sure you grease your cups really well. So let's get our cookie dough in there quickly. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. All right, while our cookies are cooking, I'm gonna grab a medium-sized bowl and we're gonna add our chocolate instant pudding right into our bowl. Oh my goodness, this is gonna go so nicely with our cookies. We're gonna add our chocolate milk. I like using chocolate milk instead of regular milk when I make chocolate pudding because it just makes sense in my brain. And make sure that your milk is cold. Oh, we have the perfect amount. 2 cups is all we needed. I'm gonna pour that in there. Oh my, this is gonna be so good. Obviously you can do regular milk if that's what you prefer, but I wanted this to be extra chocolate. So we're gonna whisk this together until it is fully well combined, and make sure that there are no dry parts, no lumps. We want it to be nice and creamy and smooth. Oh my, I love chocolate, especially around spooky season. I just think it is the best treat, best flavor for fall. And that's why we're making this easy, delicious dessert. Okay, this is ready and we're gonna pop this in the fridge until those cookies are done. Oh my goodness, these are perfectly cooked. They're right out of the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our little shot glass and we're gonna spray our shot glass with a little bit of Pam so that we can create divots in our cookie dough just like this, super quick. Oh my, these smell so delicious. Now, obviously I did the chocolate chip cookies, but you can do sugar cookie, you can do a double chocolate cookie dough, you can do whatever kind of cookie you want. Now we're gonna go ahead and let these cool completely. All right, we let our cookies cool down. I'm coming in with our chocolate pudding in a cookie scoop, and we're gonna scoop our pudding right into that little divot we made with our shot glass. So we have our chocolate chip cookies with our chocolate pudding, and do not worry, we are gonna add a fun little twist to these. I love making these. They're so great for like a little Halloween party, especially if your kid needs to bring a treat for school, or it's just great for, you know, any occasion because they are tasty, they're easy to put together, and everyone loves them. So let's go ahead and get our pudding in each one. All right, we're gonna come in with our dark chocolate Oreos, and I actually pre-crushed these, and we're gonna sprinkle on our Oreo crumbs onto our pudding to create a dirt-like texture. I know it sounds weird, but this is kind of like a nostalgic little treat with my own twist on it because I love these flavors. I love chocolate chip cookies, I love chocolate pudding, and I love Oreos. You can use whatever Oreo you like. You could even use the mini ones if you don't want to buy a whole package, but I think the dark chocolate is great because you really get like that soil-like look with the dark chocolate cream. So we're just adding a decent amount of these Oreo crumbs on each cookie. All right, and we want these to look like little dirt cups, so we're coming in with our gummy worms, and we are just gonna lay those right into our Oreo soil just like so. You can use whatever candy you like. I just think that these little worms are so fun, so tasty. You kind of get like a little fruity taste with that chocolate, which who doesn't love that? So let's add 1 gummy worm right on top of here before we add our spooky twist. Last one. Our little worms are in the soil, and now we're gonna make this a pumpkin patch. So we're gonna add our little pumpkin candy. These are my favorite candy. I always like to get these every year, and look at that. Our little pumpkin patch is ready to eat. Ooh. Obviously you can customize this to your liking, but I think this is so fun just as is, and anyone that you make these for will love them. serve these up, I have the cutest ghost plate. And the best part about our silicone muffin tin is that these will just pop right out. So if you ever have issues making these little cookie cups, I definitely recommend getting a silicone muffin tin. It honestly changes the way you make these because you don't have to stress about them cooling and not being able to come out because the silicone does all the hard work for you. Okay, let's start with that. So we still have our ghost face, but look how cute these are. It is time to give one a try. Ooh, I'm so excited. That is one of the best things I've ever eaten.